Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction in Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, Vet and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Technical analysis. Vechain Vet price prediction. Vechain Vet is a Layer 1 smart contract platform that aims to enable transparent information flow of businesses by digitizing all their operations and solving real-world economic problems, mostly when it comes to the supply chain sector. Vechain consists of a dual token economy model with two tokens, namely Vet and VTHO. In this article, the focus will be on the native token, Vet. It will be a technical analysis of the token using multiple technical indicators on USDT charts, starting with the weekly. Vechain Vet made a bottom in March 2020 as a result of the COVID capitulation. After a steady run-up, a new high was made during the summer of the same year. The Fibonacci levels plotted are measured from the rival signs as it rose above the 37 mark. If the buyers keep building up pressure, XTZI to test its midline resistance. But the volume oscillator was declined below its equilibrium during this phase, hinting at a weak bull move. Well, finally Vechain Vet. Since booking its 11-month low on 24 January, Vet saw a 58.1% recovery as it tested the $0.069 resistance on 8 February. Over the past few days, Vet formed a down channel, yellow, on its 4-hour chart. After the 24-hour gains, the bulls broke out of the pattern and aimed to overturn the $0.049 mark. Any retracements would see it test the $0.046 mark before committing itself to a trend. At press time, Vet traded below its 50 to 200 SMA at $0.04912. The RSI broke out its downtrend from the oversold region. It now aimed to find to test its properties as censorship-resistant money. Google and Apple have not yet commented on how the sanctions will affect their payment services. In a speech on Thursday, however, US President Joe Biden said about the sanctioned banks that every asset they have in America will be frozen, and the West will limit Russia's ability to do business in dollars, euros, pounds, and yen to be part of the global economy. Other than the US, the European Union, United Kingdom, Japan, and Australia have all said they will implement sanctions against Russia, including the freezing of assets held by Russian financial institutions. The EU is also in talks to freeze the assets of Russia's President Vladimir Putin and Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in response to the invasion of Ukraine, Euronews reported. However, freezing these assets is a move more symbolic than actually punitive. Financial services in carbon markets. We see many exciting applications ahead for this transformative technology. The carbon, delivering change. The carbon recently became available to the market. In the lead-up to launch, a series of use cases were carried out to demonstrate the efficacy of its solutions. We shared some of those details below. Carbon Emission Management SaaS Platform. The Carbon Emission Management SaaS Platform has built-in compliance with China's National Emission Accounting Methodology and modifiable preset parameters covering 24 major industries. These can be easily modified to suit any level of need or to ensure compliance with other legal jurisdictions. The software quickly performs a variety of carbon inventory calculations and outputs compliant, officially recognized GHG emission reports with a single click. POC. A supply chain carbon emission management system for the largest global brewing company. Through the Carbon's carbon inventory management system, the carbon emissions of the brewer's suppliers and their production facilities were accounted for, helping detail the carbon intensity of their supply chain. Suppliers that share detailed carbon emissions data can be preferentially selected by such enterprises, providing a valuable benefit to major brands looking to reduce emissions and helping generate more business for suppliers. The brewing company was able to accurately manage the carbon emissions of their factories and have oversight of upstream and downstream supply chains, helping them realize the overall carbon strategy of the enterprise group. Next iteration of the Green Low Carbon Ecosystem. The Low Carbon Ecosystem helps enterprises quantify users' green and low carbon emission reduction behaviors, issuing carbon credits with data verified through the Vechain blockchain. In turn, users can exchange these credits for benefits such as insurance, healthcare and other benefits, creating a positive cycle and motivating societal action through reward. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecast for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high.